Pumpkins, pumpkins, pumpkins. Oh, pumpkins. It's that time of year to start decorating your porches for fall. Hello everyone, welcome back to Look of a Kind. I'm here at Walmart looking for small pumpkins. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to prepare real pumpkins for decorating. When choosing pumpkins, you want to make sure you don't have any dents, punctures, scrapes, breaks on the skin, or mold, mildew. This will help your pumpkins last longer. So my pumpkins were sitting in a bag for 2 days. So when I took them out to prepare them, that's when I discovered the dent. And because of this dent, this pumpkin is not going to last as long as the other pumpkin. I am not going to throw it out. I will still use it and replace it if I need to. What I have here is soapy water, and I have a little bit of bleach in here. Now you don't have to use bleach, but I do. But you're basically going to bathe your pumpkin. I'm going to use an old rag. When bathing your pumpkins, you want to be firm but gentle so that you can get the dirt off. You want to make sure you get in the nooks and crannies. As you see here, I have to be careful not to open up this bruise. You want to take the sticker off though. The skin. Also, do not submerge your pumpkin stem under the water. It will cause decaying later. You want to dry your pumpkin really well. And you want it to completely dry, and I mean completely dry. If you don't, you're going to have mildew and mold. You want this to be completely dried before you seal the pumpkin. So even though I'm drying it off, I am going to let this dry out for a whole day. I do all of my real pumpkins this way. It is now the next day, and we are going to go ahead and seal our pumpkins. And what you're going to need, some petroleum jelly, and you can use your bare hands, but I like to use a paper towel, and you'll see what I'm going to do. When you're slathering this on, you don't want it to be a thick layer, but you do want to make sure you get in the crevices of the pumpkin. You also want to make sure you go up the stem of the pumpkin. For the top of the stem, I did not cover because it is porous, but I cannot tell you if covering the top will affect the longevity of the pumpkin. And because I am using this, it will slow the process down, but this one's going to go before. And there you have it. Here are my pumpkins. My porch isn't ready to be decorated yet, but I will show you some pictures from previous years.